Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete extra page on Word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you're using Microsoft Word, you don't want blank page appearing in the middle of your document or extra page at the end. This extra page could be caused by tables hitting the Enter key too many times, unnecessary section breaks, unintentional page break, extra paragraph markers, and more. You don't want your Word document to look unprofessional because of this quirk. So in this video, I will show you how to delete this extra page. So first of all, we have to open our Word or document that have the extra page. Now, you can just go to the extra page. You can just click on the page, on the bottom of the page. Now you can just click on backspace until you go to the top of your page here. Until you see there is no more the extra page on my document Word. It's so simple, right? So that is how to delete extra page on your Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.